Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this channel for the first time, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. And for those that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you. I also appreciate the returning viewers. So I'll be using paper to demonstrate to you on how to cut a scoop neckline. How to cut scoop neckline, you have to take your body measurement. So you have to know your body measurement as well. I will be taking the measurement of my scoop top. This is what I'm going to do. You have to know your, like I said earlier, you have to know your measurement. So you divide the biggest part of your body by 4, then you add 4 or 5 inches to it. So I'm having 12 inches here. At the top here, I have 12 inches for the width of my fabric, for the width of the paper pattern, and I have 18 inches for the total length. So this is it, 18 inches. I'm going to mark my vertical line. Before I take my vertical line, I'm going to mark 0.5 inches for the starting point. So after taking the half an inch measurement, so that's the starting point. Then we are going to take the vertical line. So we are going to mark our bust point. So I will be marking the bust point of 10 inches. Then I will mark the waistline. So that will be 17. So this is it. So I'm going to mark the horizontal line for the bust point and the waistline. That's the half length of our top. After doing that, I'm going to take my shoulder measurement. So we are working with the measurement of 16 inches. 16 divided by 2, that is 8 inches. Then I will come down by 1 inch. Then you place your tape measurement at the starting point, because we'll be marking 3 inches of neck width and 6 inches of neck depth. So don't forget that we are learning how to cut scoop neckline. So after doing that, still going to mark 3 inches here for us to be able to connect the line. So we are going to mark a straight line on the 6 inch of the neck depth. Connect it to meet with the 3 inches that we marked here. Then we'll take the line up as well, or from up to down. That's our neckline. We are still coming back. After doing that, we are going to take the armhole line. So we'll be marking the armhole of 8.5 inches. Then we are going to mark a straight line down. So that is our armhole line. So what we are going to do now is to connect the 1 inch that we mark under the shoulder line. We connect it to meet with the neck width. So that is it. So after doing that, we are going to look for the midpoint. Place your tape measure this way. That's the midpoint. Then coming by half an inch, you have to take your bust measurement. So the bust measurement we'll be working with is 38 inches. So 38 divided by 4, that is 9.5 inches. So you are going to place your bust measurement here at the chest line. 9.5 inches, 38 divided by 4. So you can see it here. You can connect your armhole. So this is how to connect your armhole. So after connecting the armhole, then you take your body circumference. So this will be our chest line, bust point, and the half length. You can call it waistline or it's half length. That is the length of the fabric. So you come to the bust line, which is the same measurement here. So you come to the half length. So we'll be using 39 inches. So 39 divided by 4, that's 9.75. So you are going to mark your 9.75 here. Having done that, you are going to mark 2 inches for the sewing, 2 inches for sewing and seam. So you are going to mark 2 inches here as well. Then we connect our top. So our top is ready. Just mark a straight line. That's our top. Having done that, we have to connect our scoop neck. For us to get our scoop neck, you have to place a ruler this way. Connect it from the shoulder width of 3 inches down to meet with neck depth of 6 inches. This is it, 3 inches for the neck width and 6 inches for the neck depth. So we are going to connect the line together. It is not difficult to cut at all. So this is what you are going to do. All you have to do is to connect it from here up here, then to meet at the edge. So that's it. Now we are going to cut our blouse out. It is very simple to cut. So you come to the neck. Then you come up. So you are going to cut half of it out. So half of it, that will be for the seam that we are going to use to join it. So 1 inch. So you are going to mark half of it. Then you cut it straight down. But you can connect it together to meet with the neck width. Connect it to meet with the neck width. You can see the half seam. So our blouse is ready. So this is the outcome of the scoop neckline. If you want your scoop neckline to be wider than this, you can mark 4 inches for your neck width, then 7 inches for the neck depth. It totally depends on what you want, how wide you want it to be. So I urge you to cut yours as well, and let me know in the comment section.